Hello students, I am Harinath Miss from the Bangladesh. I am also research bats according to Anime University. My YouTube channel at Harinath Miss RATV. Before some minutes ago, discussed two vector chapters, some questions. A vector and another vector given. So first of all, A vector cross B vector. That means A vector cross B vector. That means A vector cross another vector. First of all, find usual formula. So called position vector and angle find between two vectors. So 100% correct pronunciation is O vector and another vector. So vector two types, scalar dot, vector cross. So usage of dot product, that means a scalar product. A vector dot B vector. 100% correct pronunciation is the product of a vector and another vector. And in dot product, a vector dot another vector equal to magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector into cos theta. Therefore, cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector upon magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector. That means magnitude of a vector and magnitude of another vector. So find and therefore compare to cos theta and find the angle, that is theta equal to 90 degree. Another questions, 100% correct pronunciation to say according to me. So discuss in this time at the Bangladesh district. Some students listen to me and all students have listened to me in India. 100% correct pronunciations, because at the Bangladesh district not 100% correct pronunciation. Also problem in India and Bihar. Find the direction cosine of the vector this. First of all, O vector in position form this, then magnitude of O vector equal to a square root of this. And first of all, find unit vector, direction vector upon magnitude of vector. So in position form this, and hand direction cosines are coefficient of